tutorial is for task 6, the Paces Mask Jellies. So we want to download and save our jellies image. And open in Fireworks. File, save as. PNG, jellies, paste, as mask. Okay, this time we're going to use our text tool. So that's the T in the vector tool. We're going to click, type jellies. Mine is huge, so then we can change the size of it. Okay, I'm going to make it Arial black. And make sure it fits in the middle. Okay, now here's the tricky bit, and I just want you to trust me. Click on the writing, go edit, cut, and the writing disappears. Click on the picture, edit, paste this mask, and you'll see the writing reappears. Now click outside the picture, click back on it, and you'll get this little blue diamond. If you click and hold on that, you can drag the picture behind to put it in whichever position you want. Now just make sure if you go too far, as you see, you'll start to lose the picture. So select where you want the image to go and then let go. Now we're going to add a drop shadow. So make sure the writing is selected. Click on this plus next to filters in the properties panel. Shadow and glow, drop shadow. And we want it 7 black, and change this to 80%. And then you have a drop shadow, which makes it pop out of the page a bit more. Modify canvas, trim canvas to get rid of the excess. And you're done with that one, so save. And then save as a JPEG. And that one's done.